Hello, friends and loved ones. Welcome once again to OBAAPA'S recipes. It's yam season, friends, and we are going to prepare something really local and very, very authentic, and also that is absolutely delicious. This is my mom's favorite recipe growing up, and I really want to share it with you. So come with me and let's get started. Alrighty, so I have here my fresh yam. Remember, it is the new yam season and we are enjoying our fresh yam. This yam tastes really nice. So, what I did right here is I just washed it, and after I washed it, I'm gonna cut them into small sizes, and of course, we're gonna peel off the skin. Normally, when she prepared this yam, she washed the yam and she leave the skin on, and then she cook the skin with the roots. So after we wash everything and we cut off the skin, we're going to cut it into small sizes. You can cut it in whatever shape that you want. So next we're going to throw them in the water and we have to wash it really, really well. I know we washed it previously, but to be on the safe side, make sure that you wash it at least 2 times, okay? And then you're good to go. Since you're making this local and very authentic, I'm going to use fresh tomatoes. So I just turned off my stove and I am going to grill this in the oven just to cook it a little bit, okay? Alright, friends, so on this side I just soaked my salted fish or salted tilapia in the water just to get rid of the salt. Normally this Kobe has a lot of salt in it, so the best way to get rid of them is just soak in the water for about 20 to 25 minutes. That helps a lot. Alright, friends, so while our Kobe is nicely clean and all done, I just turned my stove into a medium heat and I filled my pot with a lot of water, and we're gonna start cooking our yam. So this is just simple. After you add all your yam, you can just add a little bit of salt for your taste, because of the Kobe, so you have to be very, very careful with the amount that you're just gonna add in there. So next I added this Kobe. I'm gonna cover it and have it cook for about 10 minutes. Okay, so let's prepare our sauce. So I have here habanero pepper and hot chili pepper. Yes, and we are going to grind this in a sanka way. If you don't have your sanka pot and the grinder, you can just use your blender as well. So I just added fresh ginger and garlic in here. Just go ahead and blend everything, in the local style, like what I'm doing. And after you think it's good enough, let's go ahead and add some onion in there. Make sure that you blend it as well, and then next we are going to add our cooked tomato. As you can tell, this is how they do it in Ghana. Usually omutimi dibidi enom de eja omasona omo atotun tomatoes no it was so bad because we don't have that kind of stuff. That's why I grilled that in the oven. So after you blend it, just go ahead and add small tilapia. This is actually fried small tilapia that I got it from the local market near me, and I'm adding the pieces of that in there. It just changes the nature of that stew. So next I added some salt for a taste, and just keep blending until it is nice and well done. But remember that don't over blend it. This is just perfect for us. Alright, friends, so on this side our yam is done. Kobe is cooked really beautifully and it is ready. So I'm just going to remove that and I'm going to strain the water from the yam because it is ready. So on this part, this is done. This is our sauce that we're going to enjoy the yam with. So I'm just sprinkling a little bit of onion in there and green pepper as well. And I have here my avocado. With this recipe, there's no need to add palm oil or even regular oil. It's just perfect. This is the authentic style, authentic way that you are missing for a very long time. Yeah, so I have here my sardines, and of course with fresh yam, when you add your sardines in there, it boosts the taste of the sauce. So just make sure and try. But if you don't like it, you can skip it, or you can use corned beef to replace that sardines, or you can even add corned beef as well. All right, friends, this is ready. This is how I prepare my authentic Ghana yam, and fresh tomato sauce. So I hope you really enjoy this recipe. It's almost weekend, and I know you can share this with your friends and loved ones. So thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to share this recipe. Until I come your way, stay safe and have a blessed day.